Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello students, hello grade 7. Today inshallah we are going to complete unit 2 health and illness. Health الصحة and illness المرض. Okay, نكمل دروسنا. Unit 2 lesson 3 to 6. In this lesson students will understand and use contractions and apostrophe. هنعرف ازاي نستخدم الاختصارات وازاي نستخدم الابوستروفي. Rewrite sentence using contractions and apostrophes. Understand and practice giving advice. وكمان في الدرس معنا اليوم هنفهم ازاي نعطي واحد نصيحة. Match pictures with phrases related to giving advice. Complete sentence with should or shouldn't. هنستخدم should and shouldn't. امتى نستخدم should وامتى نستخدم shouldn't. Write sentence containing phrases related to giving advice. Now let's start with our warm up. نراجع كده الدرس الحصة الماضية. What's the matter? We are going to listen and match. What's the matter? Number 1.
He has an earache.
He has an earache. 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 Yes. Number 2.
He has a cold.
He has a cold. He has a cold. Number 3.
He has a stomachache.
He has a stomach ache. A stomach ache.
He has a runny nose.
He has a runny nose. Runny nose. This one. Yes.
She has spots.
She has spots. She had spots. عندها بقع. Yes. يبقى number 1. He has a cold. عنده برد. Number 2, he has an earache, ألم في الأذن. And number 3, he has a runny nose, Number 4, she has spots, عندها بقع حمراء. Number 5, he has stomach ache. Okay, now let's check our answers here. Okay, they are all correct. Okay, now let's begin. Class book page 15. هنفتح كده الكتاب page 15 صفحة 15 في الكلاس book. Task number 2. In this task we are going to listen and speak. Work with a partner.
Listening 2.6.
Yes. Work with a partner. Listen to Amna talking to her friend. تتكلم مع صديقتها. Then practice the dialogue yourself with a friend. بعد كده تمارس المحادثة. هنا عندي أمنة. You didn't come to school yesterday. أمنة أنت لم تأتي إلى المدرسة أمس يا أمنة. You didn't come to school yesterday. أمنة. ردت أمنة No, I didn't. I was ill. كنت مريضة. What was the matter? ماذا كان بك? What was the matter? I had a terrible headache. كان عندي صداع رهيب. Are you better now? هل تشعر بتحسن الآن? Yes, thank you. Now, listen.
You didn't come to school yesterday, Amna?
No, I didn't. I was ill.
What was the matter?
I had a terrible headache.
Are you better now?
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
You didn't come to school yesterday, Amna?
No, I didn't. I was ill.
What was the matter?
I had a terrible headache.
Are you better now?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Task number 3 نفس الصفحة class book page 15. In this task we are going to ask and answer. Now ask and answer question with a friend about what was the matter with them. Use the words to help you. عندي هنا سلمى. Yes, yesterday stomach ache. Okay, you didn't come to school yesterday, Selma. Yes, I didn't. I was ill. What was the matter? I had a stomach ache. Are you better now? Yes, thank you. Okay, شوف فهد كده. You didn't come to school last Wednesday. فهد. No, I didn't. I was ill. What was the matter? I had a sore throat. I had a sore throat. Are you better now? Yes, thank you. هنستخدم نفس المحادثة اللي كانت موجودة عندنا في تاسك number 2. Number 2. This task. You didn't come to school yesterday, Amna. No, I didn't. I was
Listening.
ill. Okay. No, I didn't. What was the matter? I had a terrible headache. Are you better now?
Listening.
Yes, thank you. Okay. This is a kind of practice. ده نوع طبعا من أنواع الممارسة. كل واحد هيمارس المحادثة مع زميله. You didn't come to school yesterday safe. Yes, I didn't. I didn't. Okay, I was ill. What was the matter? I had a painful boil. I had a painful boil. Are you better now? Yes, thank you. You didn't come to school last week, Abdullah. Yes, I didn't. What was the matter? I had a headache. Are you better now? Yes, thank you. Nagma, you didn't come to school last few days. Amna, Nagma, yes, I didn't. What was the matter? I had toothache. I had toothache. Are you better now? Yes, thank you. Now, skills book page 18, task number 1. Read and think. Sometimes when we speak or when we write informally, there are some words in English that we naturally make shorter and we leave letters out. These words are called contractions. أحيانا احنا بنكتب أو بنتكلم بنستخدم الاختصارات اللي هي الأبوستروفي. Okay? When we use an apostrophe to show where letters are missing. For example, I've got a cold. الأبوستروف VE ده اختصار كلمة have. I have got a cold. بدل ما أقول I have got a cold أقول I've got a cold. Amna's got a headache. Amna has got a headache. هو الأبوستروف S, it means has. Saif isn't feeling well. Saif is not feeling well. Okay, is not أنا بختصرها إلى isn't. Now we are going to read في نفس task number 2 في نفس الصفحة page 18. Read this sentence, then rewrite them with contractions and apostrophes. I have got toothache. How can we write it? كيف نكتبها? Yes, I apostrophe VE. I've got toothache. I've got toothache. Saif has got a painful boil. Saif's got a painful boil. Saif's apostrophe S. Okay, got. Amna cannot come to school tomorrow. Amna can't come to school tomorrow. They are not ill. They are not ill. Oh, they are not ill. My brother isn't going to play today because he is ill. My brother isn't going to play today because he is ill. Skills book page 18 task number 3. هنعمل طبعا اختصارات الكلمات دي. هي عندي hasn't, with, what's, I'd, don't, apostrophe T, it's apostrophe S, where is apostrophe S, doesn't apostrophe T, we are apostrophe RE, we aren't apostrophe T. These are the contractions. Yes, hasn't, number 1 hasn't, number 2 with, number 3 what's, number 4 I'd, I apostrophe D, number 5 don't, number 6 it's, 7 where is, 8 doesn't, 9 where, 10 weren't. So now complete the rules. When two words are joining together, لما يكون في كلمتين مرتبطين مع بعض أو ربطناهم مع بعض to make one word عشان نكون جملة واحدة, we call this a contraction. We use apostrophe to show that a letter or letters are missing. طبعا بنستخدم apostrophe عشان نعرف ان في حرف هنا مفقود او محذوف. Now skills book page, yes, class book page 17, task number 1. Look and talk. Look at these pictures of Joe. He is a very unhealthy and untidy. هو غير صحي وغير منظم. Give some advice to Joe about what he should and shouldn't do. Look at the speech bubble below to help you. You should go and see the doctor. You should go and see the doctor. You shouldn't play football until your uncle is better. هنلاحظ هنا يا شباب في عندي كلمة should وهنا في كلمة shouldn't. أنا بستخدم should أو shouldn't. should بمعنى يجب و shouldn't بمعنى لا يجب, وبستخدم وراها الفعل في المصدر, يعني الفعل بدون أي تصريفات, الفعل زي ما هو. when we want to give someone advice, لما أعطي واحد نصيحة. You should go, يجب أن تذهب, and see the doctor. You shouldn't play football, يجب ألا تلعب كرة قدم, until your uncle, حتى الكاحل بتاعك قدمك is better, تكون سليمة. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pictures.
Listening 2.8.
Yes, we have 8 pictures. We are going to listen to these pictures and match them with the sentence. Okay, listen.
Listening 2.8.
You should wear glasses.
Picture 8.
You shouldn't eat unwashed fruit.
Picture 2.
You should eat more slowly.
Picture 1.
You shouldn't wear shoes that are too small for you.
Picture 7.
You should wash your hands after touching animals.
Picture 5.
You shouldn't wear dirty socks.
Picture 3.
Okay, number 1, you should eat more slowly. You should eat more slowly. يجب أن تأكل ببطء. Number 2, you shouldn't eat unwashed fruit. You shouldn't eat unwashed fruit. يجب ألا تأكل فاكهة غير نظيفة. يجب ألا تأكل. You shouldn't wear dirty socks. Dirty socks. يجب ألا ترتدي جوارب متسخة. Number 4, you shouldn't play football until your ankle is better. Until your foot is better. حتى قدمك تكون سليمة. You shouldn't play football. You should wash your hands after touching an animal. Yes, you should wash your hands. يجب أن تغسل يديك after touching an animal. بعد ما لمس مين؟ الحيوانات. Number 6, yes, you should go to the doctor. يجب أن تذهب إلى الطبيب when you are ill. When you are ill. You shouldn't Yes, number 7, you shouldn't wear small, yes, shoes. Okay. Number 8, you should wear glasses. يجب أن ترتدي نظارة. You should wear glasses. Okay. So we use should and shouldn't to give advice. يبقى أنا بستخدم should أو shouldn't عند إعطاء نصيحة. We give advice to people when we want to suggest something which we think will help you. You should wear glasses. يجب أن ترتدي نظارة. You shouldn't play football today. Now we have here 6 pictures. We are going to put should or shouldn't in each space. Okay, number 1, you eat so much, so you shouldn't eat so much. Number 2, you smoke. طبعا يجب ألا تدخن. يبقى you shouldn't smoke. Number 3, go to the dentist. واحد بيشعر بألم في الأسنان يبقى you should go to the dentist. Number 4, you shouldn't play football in the road. يجب ألا تلعب كرة في الشارع. You should cross the road at the traffic lights. لما يكون في إشارات مرور you should cross the road. يجب أن تعبر الطريق لو في إشارة مرور. Okay, you should go to the hospital. يجب أن تذهب إلى الطبيب أو المستشفى. Now look at these phrases. Use them to give good advice using should or shouldn't. Go for a walk. تذهب لتمشى. يبقى you should go for a walk. Watch TV all day. يشاهد التلفزيون طول اليوم. You shouldn't watch TV all day. Put your feet on the table. Put your feet on the table. تضع قدمك على الطاولة. You shouldn't put your feet on the table. Respect older people. Respect older people. تحترم الناس الأكبر في السن. You should respect older people. يجب أن تحترم الناس الأكبر. يبقى عندي هنا you should, you shouldn't, you shouldn't, you should. يبقى to give advice we can use should or shouldn't plus the main verb. This is for our lesson. Thank you. Until we meet again, goodbye.